Hey, it's Shelly, and I'm going to talk about funnel freedom. So I'm going to do a review, and you just have to wait. You just have to see the software. My friend Jonathan is calling it an unfair advantage. Why would he be doing that? Let me tell you. That's because, especially for affiliate marketers, this is literally like a dream come true, especially for beginners, because he has a funnel where you could promote like 50 different things at once. But let's put that to the side. You don't have to be an affiliate marketer to like the software, because this thing it's a funnel builder that's built in, unlimited funnels, unlike some other place I'm talking about. It has an autoresponder built into it. It has the texting put into it. And you can create your own sites. You can put tons of your blogs on here. If you have your own course, you can put your own course in here. It has everything. But that's not even the cool part. Okay. I'm going to tell you right now, the cool part is tons is done for you. It even has AI built in. For real. If you stay with me to the end, I'm going to tell you, I have the best bonus for you that you actually need and can help you with this. So go ahead, hit subscribe so you don't miss all of my cool videos like this, and ring the notification bell, and let's get right into it. All right, guys, this is the software. And if you're wanting to promote something as a beginner affiliate marketer, then he has something for you to promote. And it's not like it's just like, here, just promote my stuff. It's because whether it's this program or any other program, when you start promoting it, that actually helps you learn to market. So it's gonna help you. And even if you wanted another free course, I have that for you too as well. But this here, he'll have done for you emails. So you don't have to mess with it. They don't have to worry about the tech. No tech, because all of it's done for you. The autoresponder is done for you. I'll tell you more about that later. The emails, the sending stuff out. This thing has a scheduler. I just keep going on and on. I haven't had it this long, but this is why I wanted to do this video, because it is insane. It's insane. And he's going to provide videos that he's even going to let you go ahead and use his videos and then promote them as well if you want. Okay, let's just show you the funnel freedom. Now, I'm going to go through these kind of fast, so my video is not long. If there's anything on here that you want me to do like a full video on, I'll do that. So there's the launch pad, the dashboard, okay, on conversations. Oh, and on here, I like this part because this lets you get on a path to success. You can tie in all of this to the software as well. On conversations, I don't have any yet, but we're going to that because I think that's really cool, because everybody can be in here and talk all at the same time. And I just think that is just amazing. I don't have the calendar set up yet, but you can have your built-in calendar. So a lot of people use Google Calendar or something like that. So you don't have to have Google Calendar. Same thing with the contacts. And you can also if you have other contacts, you can have them put into this system as well. Okay, payments. I do affiliate marketing, so mine's a little different, but especially if you have your own program and everything, all of the payments and stuff will all be in the same section, which isn't that cool. Okay, now this is my favorite. Let's start getting into marketing. Okay. You can tie in, and I'll show you an example of all this on a funnel, but you can tie in, Facebook, Instagram. I mean, you can tie all of this in, okay? And this is what no one talks about with the software, which is kind of cool. Save time by scheduling posts. So you can schedule your posts as well, instead of having to go into Facebook and use their thing to schedule it all. Okay, the emails, and on emails, well, let me skip that. Okay, there's the templates that has little snippets, and then there's the trigger links. I'll show you more about this later. This is the one thing that I think is really cool too. Now, when I was a beginner and I started out, all of this software, it just confused me. And especially the whole emails and autoresponders, I cried twice, like majorly cried, because one, I couldn't get it set up. I did not understand it. And two, this was like several months after, right when I think I understood everything, I signed up for another affiliate thing, and they had emails provided, and you had to put them in yours to combine it. Well, when I did it, it wiped everything out because I didn't know what I was doing. So tech help. Having someone do your tech, it's gonna help. Oh my gosh. Now let's go back to emails. But when I was talking about the trigger links, I actually use ActiveCampaign, and no other software is good as ActiveCampaign. I'm sorry, but this software has stuff just like ActiveCampaign, which is so cool. Okay. You can create your own campaign. You can create your own stuff. They actually call stuff templates in here instead of, to me, It's called, can't think of the word, but the list is called template. And on here, it's just a little example. I'm not going to show you everything because I don't want Jonathan to kill me. But you can go in and you can even, this is the stuff. He has stuff built out for a year, guys. And he has it, let's go to automations. He has it where it ties to a white label course and the emails are built in. And I mean, he says this is going to be for a year. And I shouldn't say this, but I bet he still does it even farther, where it ties in like Legendary Marketer, it ties in his program, it ties in a bunch of different programs. I think there's going to be like 15. And then he has emails to help with that that's built out for you that goes out to a year. Now, if you do, you can go in, because if you're a seasoned marketer, you're going to want to probably change stuff. Now, if there's one thing I have to say is bad, because this is an honest review, if there's one thing I have to say is bad, is you have to like copy the email. And if you want to change it, but you can't change everything. You change all his videos, you can change anything you want. So you copy it and then take and move it over. Then you change it and save it. So it's just a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it can be done. You do it once, that's it, and then you're done. But I want to be honest. And if you can add your own emails in his sequence as well, which is really cool, but they have it where so they don't mess it up, it's on Friday and Saturday. So when you add yours that's in that same sequence, it goes to Friday and Saturday. I want to tell you that I haven't heard anybody else that knew that. And content AI. Now this is where I'm guessing, because what it is whether you're doing a blog, which it tells you right here, whether or in your social planning or a funnel or a website, even an email. It will write an email for you, but it does charge you per word. But it's like, I don't know, pennies, okay? And you can double check with support. Their support's awesome to double check, but it's cheap. Now, I think this would come in handy because, for example, say I'm on a funnel and I need a title. Titles, I mean, you know what I mean? I'll pay anything for someone to tell me a good title. And the AUQ use AI to help you for that. Or you're writing an email and you're stumped. I mean, this happens to all of us, and to be able then to tone into some AI, pretty cool. Yeah. And on sites, which sites are funnels, and this here is the funnel. I'll show you that in just a second. I was playing around. I have another funnel that I was playing around with, and the funnel stuff. I didn't want to go through, actual every single thing. But if you especially do affiliate marketing, you need a funnel. If you're doing any kind of marketing or have a business, you need a funnel. And this funnel is easy. Create funnel. I can do that. He has tons of templates. And you can also you can create your own templates, because I do that in another software. And you browse your categories. You can go all the way down. There's holiday, health, and wealth. And there's different types here. Let me show you what it looks like inside of it. Because if you've used System.io or ClickFunnels, it kind of looks a lot like it. All right, choose just one that you like. Do continue. Okay, now I wanted to show you the inside of a funnel just so you know. Now it has a bunch of stuff like the layers, pages, tracking code. You can do the custom. That's just your letters. The background, pop-up settings, the SEO metadata. Now this is really cool because I also use a software, and it's called Drop Funnels. And I thought it was the only software that had this, and Jonathan's software has it. So this is really cool. Preview. Okay. And then this button will do I think that's the button where you can see it on the phone. No, that's this. Okay. Every software needs this because you can really screw up. I did this back at the beginning too. And then this is a desktop. Okay. So it has the padding on the left. So say you had this and you wanted to change it. Let's see. Background. The background colors, the letter spacing. You can put it, change it to the middle. The box shadow stuff. I don't use that much. Your font, content font, the headline font. Here's all your colors. Like I was saying, the padding, like if you're here, you could do padding, right. So, I mean, it's all pretty easy because it's all just right here. And then on to advanced, the borders, you have the height, you can do a bunch of stuff, inside of it. So I wanted to show you that. And it's the same thing when you start doing this inside of a blog, you can do the same thing, and you'll tie it where it'll integrate into your autoresponder. especially if you're a affiliate marketer. There's membership sites. So I mentioned that in the beginning. You can have your own membership site. It shows you all of the reporting. This is really, really cool. A lot of software doesn't have stuff like this. Okay, back on sites, which is where funnels. There's also where you have your websites. This here is where you have your blogs, just to show you. And you can create a blog post. Copy and paste your stuff in there if you want. Have AI help you. And your pictures, like if you want to use for your blog or on your funnel, or you can put them in media. And there's like two or three different ways where you can get to that. You have URL redirects, which is in the software. This is really, really cool. You don't see that in a lot of software. You can do your own surveys and you can do your own forms. I had to show you that. It's pretty cool. Now, I wanted to go into memberships because I think this part here is cool. I'm showing you the stuff that should stand out. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you can build your own courses and stuff, and you have your own communities. But I think the certificates, this is really neat. Because you can say, like, once people have gotten to a certain point, hey, you get this certificate. Or you can have, this certificate, last 30 days, you made it to $1,000 or something like that. Pretty cool. If not, there's an idea for you. All right. Now, this thing has a lot of stuff in it, but I just wanted to show you kind of what it offers. But now I want to show you to Funnel Freedom, which is, if you're an affiliate marketer, check this out. Okay, I'm on the profile, and this is the social settings, and I can have in here my, I can have my name, woohoo! I can have my Facebook link, my YouTube channel link, my Instagram link, my TikTok, and then remember me telling you about where you can have your pictures and stuff. You can store your pictures and then grab them and put it here. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. And then if you go up here to affiliate link settings, now this is where in the funnel that I was telling you about that you could use that promotes like 15 different things at once. And it has, you can put in, this is his 72-hour challenge. You can put in the Funnel Freedom, the link for that, the Secrets of Success, System.io, Repurpose.io. Okay, if this is what's going to take you the longest, and it actually took me a lot longer than my friends, just because I already had all of this except for one of the programs. And by the way, there's one of these programs that I don't promote. I didn't want to promote it, so I'm not going to promote something if I don't believe in it. But there was another one that I'm in, and I was just going to, I haven't done it yet, would replace them. So that was how I know about changing the emails and stuff like that, because if you replace that, you're going to have to change the emails too. So you can change that too. You don't have to literally promote everything here. You can kind of, if you want to. I mean, that's more for advanced people, but just in case. Back to my problem on this slut. I didn't know what that was. Well, whenever you go and it'll apply for it, it'll take it just a little bit. Well, I didn't know. Then you have to go on the site and you have to click something, and I didn't know. So FYI, that little bitty thing made it take forever for me. Okay, now I want to go back to sites to show you it's what's inside this funnel and to show you what it really looks like. Now, if you go into this funnel, well, this is the funnel that if you do want to promote, you promote what it is. He has a free course. And their videos that's on YouTube, and he has it as they sign up, and he'll also talk about the software as well. But you offer a free lead magnet, and it's the free course. What the free course is it's his videos, and you can feel free to change them yourself, especially if you're a more advanced person, which is what he tells you to do. He told me to do that too. I've already changed one video, still gotta do more, and then make it your own. But if not, that's why this is so perfect for beginners, because you could use his. Heck, if you want to use mine, you can use mine. And just take what you can, take everybody's stuff that's fine, and just go with it. Just that way you can get started. Don't worry about the tech and everything. So that's so cool. So he has it where they'll slowly send out in their email his videos. That is the course. And in between all of this, he's going to tell you about all the other stuff and help market for you. So it's like awesome. But this is what it looks like. Now you have let me show you this real quick. Here's your bridge page. Okay, here's the opt-in. And see, it has free course here. And again, if you want to make it more your own, you're more advanced marketer, you change that out. This is my picture. I just added something at the time. And, hey, my name is Shelly Hopkins, blah, blah, blah. Take the free course. Okay. Now, I really wanted to show you this because this is where, this is the actual free course. This is part 1. This is part 2, part 3. And then the instructor intro. And this right here, remember where I showed you could go in and you can plug your own stuff in? So this is your YouTube channel. This is, your Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. See? And then this is the first one. He calls it part 1. So that's going to be the first video that they get. And then he has has the work, because the very first thing that you're going to get started into, I mean, this is his software. He's going to promote his course. So it's a 72 hour freedom challenge, and get access to a dedicated business advisor. So that is how he has it when you first get started. And then they'll think if they want it, and they can check it out, they like it, and then they can get signed into that, and blah, blah, blah. And say they don't like that, then the next thing comes along. So, you're collecting the emails. Listen, this is the best part, okay? Listen to me real good. Some of what my old boss used to say. If you're a beginner, this part is the best part. This is why I got on here, is he does the emails for you. So people sign up to the free course, okay? Someone has to get to know and like you, and they have to click on something like 7 times before they're ever going to do anything. So then that's why the emails that's done for you are going to keep going and trickling, and they're going to get the emails. And then eventually they're like, oh, okay, this is that Sandra chick. Okay, I'm going to listen to her. I'm going to click on this email. So that's why it's so awesome, because when I first started, the email part, for some reason, the autoresponder and all that, it just did not like me. Now, I think this program is awesome. It is so cool. It's a game changer. Jonathan calls it a game changer. It really, really is. And especially if you are a beginner. So what I want to do for you is I'm going to have my link to this down below. So, you can check the software out, because it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And if you do, I'm going to give you 15 minutes with me. I'm actually going to give away my time. Okay. Now, if you're thinking that you want to ask me questions about this, I would hold off, because everything that to do to set all of this up, he does for you. And it's literally, you watch the video. Oh, you know what? And customer service is awesome, but I don't even know how awesome it is. It's because when I did have a problem, I had I don't know, 1, maybe 2 questions. I have another friend that got in it before me, and I asked him, and he was like, oh, well, I already talked to support. Oh, Shelly, let me tell you how awesome support is. Okay. So that's from another friend who said it's great. So don't waste that time on this. The software is done for you. He has videos that shows you literally how to do everything, okay? No, what this is perfect is I want this to help get you going. This is going to be the software that's going to help you, and you can promote it and everything else, okay? The software itself, even if you don't want it to promote his program, even if you don't want to promote the software itself, being able to use something that's built in that has all of that in it is going to be pretty cool. But then after that, okay, then you're still going to need to do something yourself. You're going to need to market. Even if you just did this and you want to market it, you have to have something to market it. And I'm sorry, I'm a small expert in short form video. So I always say to do short form video or to do YouTube, or heck, do both. So what I want to do is I want to give you 15 minutes of my help, okay? Hopefully after this part, because use me for the stuff that you really need help with. And I say that because I always wanted to help, and there was never nobody there, okay? And I think so short form video is the best way to market, to get people's attention. And you don't have to do it with your face. I can show you how to do it where you don't have to use your face. You don't have to worry about that. But then, I've been doing this for over 5 years. What everybody always says is, I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just going to do that for you too. So I'm going to give you, it's going to be more dedicated to business, to affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you your scripts. I'm going to do it for you. I'm going to give them to you. Okay. Your short form video scripts, your real scripts, whatever you want to call it. Okay. And then even after you're done with all of mine, which is a freaking ton, then you're going to be like, okay, now I'm starting my own. At least I got to do Shelly's. Now I'm starting my own. And now I'm just in the beginning, I need a little something. So I'm going to give you tons of hooks, because once you have the hook, that's the hardest part. Once you have the hook, all downhill from there. Okay. So you have no excuses. I'm going to do all of this for you, and then you have the software. Boom. That's it. All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And listen, if there is something that you want me to go further in depth, or show you something in the software, or maybe build a complete funnel, or anything that you want me to do, just let me know. All right, guys. I hope this helps. And you know what? Go ahead and watch the next video, because if you liked this one, something tells me you're going to like that one too. All right, guys. Thanks.